One more quick thing I want to mention is the addition of keyboard shortcuts and the S key. S is in super awesome menu. And what I mean by that is, if I go over here, actually, I got the, if you Google Fusion 360 keyboard shortcuts, it'll give you this keyboard shortcut list, and it's actually pretty standard what everything will be. Like fillet is always F, move is M, hole is H, E is extrude, project is P. It actually makes a lot of sense, everything that's in here. So if you're ever wondering what something does, you probably already know the hotkey for it. You just didn't know you did. Another cool thing is for everything that doesn't have a hotkey, you can of course pop up in here. So instead of remembering that line is L, you could click this little add to toolbar thing, but really it's easy enough to remember that line is L, and then something that doesn't have a keyboard shortcut like Spline, I'm more likely to go ahead and pop up here. Even better though is to go ahead and hit the S key, and that'll actually bring up a model toolbox. Now, because I'm in modeling view, it's going to give me the modeling toolbox. So if I did want to add a spline, I would first go into, let's go ahead and do a new sketch here. I'm just going to grab this top surface here, and now while I'm in sketch mode, what I can do is hit S and then start typing in Spline, S-P-L-I-N-E, and right there is Spline. I can move this to my custom toolbox, and if I want to, I can click Spline, and then I can start creating a spline. As well as if I hit S, I can go in here and I can move this thing around. So if I want spline to be first, I can put that here. If I already know that center diameter circle or rectangle is R and C, I can go ahead and just drag these out of here. Don't need them. So the toolbox menu is context sensitive. So if I go ahead and stop my sketch and I'm back out here, then we can go into modeling. So one of the weird things is for, like, say, create mirror. If you start typing mirror in here, hit S and start typing mirror. Oh, okay, so this has been updated. As of this one, if you're in the modeling toolbox, if you're in the modeling menu over here and you're actually modeling out here in the viewport, it'll only show you mirror options, and then when you go back into your sketch, let's go ahead and open our sketch here, go back here and edit sketch, and now that I'm in sketch mode here, and I hit S and start typing mirror, oh, okay, here it is. So this first one is going to be mirror your model, the second one's going to be mirror sketch. You want to make sure you put mirror sketch in here. So it's not completely fixed, but you can now use mirror sketch as a button in your custom menu, as opposed to going here, choosing mirror, doesn't have a hotkey assigned, or throwing mirror up into your menu up here.